Assalamualaikum and welcome to our new production manager, Mr. Azlan, to our family, Extra Minds STN PhD. I am Nur Habibah binti Ahmad, an engineer in charge of electronic assembly and packaging. As requested by Mr. Azlan, so today I will explain a little bit about my duties and responsibilities as the engineer in charge of this department, the major challenge and proposed solution that I am working on. As an engineer in charge in electronic assembly and packaging, my duties are to assemble electronic parts such as circuit boards, mount them into large assemblies or casings, ensure the proper soldering and installation of electric wiring, oversee and manage complete packaging development process, including the creation of packaging designs, prototype development and performance testing, as well as troubleshoot new and existing packaging problems involving designs, materials, and processes, provide creative, timely, and cost-effective solutions. Typically, electronic assemblers work in electronics manufacturing, so we need to have a strong understanding of both electronic and mechanical operations. We also need to know how to use a variety of tools, and we should have the ability to read technical schematics and blueprints. The consumer electronics manufacturing industry is one of the most rapidly changing and competitive industries globally. To succeed, companies must constantly innovate and adapt to the ever-changing landscape to stay ahead of the competition. However, one of the biggest challenges facing the electronics manufacturing process is the rapid pace of change. Technology is evolving at an ever-increasing rate. So, company must continually update our products to stay ahead of the competition and avoid perishable inventory getting stuck in our inventory. As a result, this can be a costly and time-consuming process. When this challenge happens, it increases competition between other companies. The consumer electronics manufacturing industry is highly competitive. Many companies compete for market share and new entrants are constantly entering the market. This makes it difficult for companies to differentiate our products and stand out from the crowd. In the electronics manufacturing process, it is important to have electronic manufacturing software to monitor activity. It is because, at the drop of a hat, anything could happen that delays production and leaves customers disappointed. So, my proposed solution to avoid the challenge is by using Katana ERP manufacturing software, which is the ultimate tool for those working in the electronics manufacturing industry. Katana gives manufacturing real-time insights into sales, operational status, and costing, allowing business owners to make better business decisions on the fly. In my first challenge, Katana comes with the essential feature for electronic manufacturers to help us manage contract manufacturing. Katana ERP automates the production tracking and monitoring with our contract manufacturers based anywhere globally. With Katana, we can have raw materials sent directly to our contract manufacturing while monitoring inventory levels and the status of tasks from their end. It is not a problem if we use a contract manufacturing for building sub-assemblies. With Katana, we can issue them a manufacturing order instead and keep an eye on production via the ERP software. That's all from me. I hope my explanation can help Mr. Azlan to some extent in understanding about electronic assembly and packaging. I am also happy to receive opinions from colleagues to share appropriate solutions to address problems faced in the electronics department. Thank you.